Ooh, 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 I know what he's gonna want. I went down to the river that day, so my man gon' walk away. He left town with a woman I know, who's breathing there and singing like so. Left 2 kids in the house on the hill, but just one dance and I was cold like steel. I knew that I would lose my mind if that young girl let it go sometime. So I run, rather than a memory. I run, 'cause I'm a nigga can't be you. Won't be the next one standing. I know what he's gonna want. And you run, rather than a memory. You run, 'cause I'm a nigga can't be. I will be the next one standing. I know what he's gonna want. I knew then what I did was wrong, but God told me that about that snow. You come up, so I push it down. But I love him, so I wear that crown. Oh, please, Lord, forgive my sins. I hope heaven still lets me in. 'Cause when I went down to the river that day, I didn't know things would go this way. So I run, rather than a memory. I run, 'cause I'm a nigga can't be you. Won't be the next one standing. I know what he's gonna want. Now you run, rather than a memory. You run, 'cause I'm a nigga can't be. I will be the next one standing. I know what he's gonna want. Now ooh, ooh, I know what he's gonna want. Now ooh, I know what he's gonna want. I can't help that I fell in love. The images run and I can't enough. 'Cause people around here, they talk too much. But I was just a girl when I fell in love. So I run, rather than a memory. I run, 'cause I'm a nigga can't be you. Won't be the next one standing. I know what he's gonna want. Now you run, rather than a memory. You run, 'cause I'm a nigga can't be. I will be the next one standing. I know what he's gonna want. Now ooh, I know what he's gonna want. Now I know what he's gonna want.
This is a tutorial for Storm and Stone, choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count 4-wall phrased improver level line dance. A is 16 counts and B is 16 counts. You do A always to the front and side wall, so 12 and 3 o'clock, and you do B to the back and side wall, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The phrasing goes A, B, B, all the way around when you complete the dance. I'm going to turn around and do A and B with steps and counts, and then we will go around and do all of the walls. Section A starts with your weight on your left foot. You're going to do a toe heel cross. So you're going to take that toe, right toe, bring it in, right heel out, and then cross it over. Do a left coaster step with a cross, back, together, cross. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn walking into the diagonal, going right, left. Then you're going to mambo with that right foot, rock forward and step back. Section 1 with counts. Toe heel, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, walk, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2 of A, step back with that left foot, make an 1/8 of a turn, stepping your right foot to the side. You're now squared up to 3 o'clock. You're going to do a crossing shuffle with the left foot, cross, ball, cross. And we're going to do a reverse rumba box, step your right to the side, left together, back right, step left side, right together, left forward. Section 2 with counts. Stepping back with the left foot, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's do A completely with words and counts, and then we will move on to B. A, toe heel. It's toe heel, cross left, coaster, cross diagonal, walk, walk, mambo, step, go back. 1/8, cross and cross, side together, back, side together, forward. Let's do A to the side wall, doing with counts. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We're going to now do B. B always happens to the back and side wall. I'm going to turn so you can see what it looks like. Section B, half of a Charleston. So you're going to touch it forward, step, back, do a left coaster, step, step half pivot, step forward with the right, half turn, putting your weight on your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. Then you're going to step forward with your right foot, make a quarter turn, putting your weight on your left, and cross your right over your left. Let's do that with counts. Charleston, it's 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, half 5, 6, side rock 7 and 8. From here, section B, part 2, you're going to rock and weave. So you're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto that right, do a weave to the right, behind side cross. Step your right foot to the right side, put your left heel forward, step onto that left foot, cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the side, put your right heel, cross, step onto that right foot, cross your left over. End of B. So let's do B all together. We just did our side rock cross. Let's do it with some counts. Rock 1, 2, weave 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do B all together with words and counts. Charleston, touch it, forward step, back, and your coaster, step, step, half pivot, quick, side rock, cross, rock, recover, weave, behind side cross, and heel and cross, and heel and cross. With counts, Charleston, it's a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do B to the back and the sides. Back is going to have the steps, side will have the counts. Starting with your Charleston, your weight is on your left foot, touch it forward. Touch, forward step, back, coaster, step, half pivot, quarter, side rock, cross, rock and weave. Ball, heel and cross, and heel and cross. With counts, touch it, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. When you finish with that wall, you would go back into A. So you're always going to do 2 A's in a row and always do 2 B's in a row until the very last wall. The last wall is your A wall facing the front. You would end facing 3 o'clock and you're just going to make a quarter turn to end facing 12 o'clock. We are now going to do the complete phrasing. 2 A's in a row, 2 B's in a row. After that, you can practice it with the demo. Let's start. A, toe heel. It's toe heel, cross with your coaster, cross, walk, walk, mambo, step, go back, side, cross and cross, side together, forward, side together. A, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now do B. Step forward, touch back in your coaster, step, step, half quarter, side rock, cross, rock and weave. Now your heels, ball, heel, ball, cross, touch it. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That is the whole dance. I'm going to walk you through the ending on the last wall. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to do the full 16 counts of A and then make a quarter turn. So toe, heel, cross, coaster, cross, walk, walk, mambo, step, go back, side, cross and cross, side together, back, side together, forward, quarter to end the dance. That is the whole dance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I hope you enjoyed it. You can practice with the demo whenever you would like. Have a great day.